This is the fifth general property of central force motion. The fifth general property, the law of equal areas. The law of equal areas. Please consider, this is a part of circular motion or central force motion. So, this is a part of circular motion. And this is the origin of the central force of motion. This is the origin. And we consider a small area or small length, and we consider this point. So this is the position vectors of this small part, and the angle between these two ends are d theta. Then we can able to calculate the length of this part, that is equal to r d theta, that is position vector or radius into angle r d theta. So we already said this is a small part or small portion in this circle. So the distance, this distance also is equal to r d theta. Then we can easily calculate the total area in this part, total area of this part. How? We can use the equation 1 by 2 hb. So here h, this is the h and this is the r, sorry, this is the b. So half bh equal to 1 by 2 of b, that is equal to r, h, that is equal to r d theta. So the small area is dA equal to 1 by 2 r d theta, and we differentiate this dA with respect to time. Then dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2 r into r square. The variable is t because r is constant, and with respect to time the angle will change, so the variable is theta. So that 1 by 2 r square d theta by dt. So 1 by 2 r square d theta by dt can be represented as theta dot, and dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2. Here we multiplied and divided by using mu. So multiplied with mu and also dividing by using mu. So there is no effect. But 1 by 2 mu r square theta dot divided by mu, where mu r square is equal to I, moment of inertia, and theta dot divided by 2 mu. That means, what is I theta dot? We already studied moment of inertia into theta dot is equal to I omega, and I omega is equal to angular momentum vector L divided by 2 mu. And here the angular momentum is constant because we already proved the angular momentum in central force of motion, it's conserved. So L is constant, and mu, it's reduced mass, it's also a constant. So L and mu are constant. That means dA by dt equal to a constant value, and this is known as Kepler's second law of planetary motion. That means, swipe out equal area in equal interval of time. So this is the fifth general property of central force motion. Okay? Yes.